Okay guys, welcome back. It's part 2. Okay, now I'm going to drill the hole under here and get ready to put a bolt in it so we can test out this hitch. And today I have the ball, it's 1 7/8 inches. Yep, just put the nut on the bottom, it keeps it from going anywhere. But I may have to cut some of this off or put some washers, because see, it's not touching all the way right here, but it's hitting the plate. Now this bolt's too long. I bought too big of a bolt, so I'm just going to shorten this one down to about right there where the nut is. Well, the hitch mounting is done. There's the ball, 1 7/8 inches. That fits all the trailers that we have mostly. Okay, I'm going to be hooking up to this trailer. There's the final product. Alright, got it all hooked up. Yep. Way better than the chains. I'm not even on the pedal. Look, I'm just barely hitting it. It's full speed. Shoot, man, keep up. Pulls pretty good. Puts a little load on the golf cart, but it still is good. How sharp of corners can I turn? Pretty sharp. I was at 90 degrees. I'm at 180. Okay, now I'm going to try backing it up. Boat. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be good. Go until you hit. I think that's gonna be good. And that's gonna be the end of this video. This is part 2 of the hitch mounting. And thank you. Subscribe and like.